been following. So those who have been following us, this is our syrup. This is the end product of our syrup. I think you can see our syrup is labeled on, or you can see very well it is labeled on or inclusive respiratory disease bomba syrup. I think you can, all of you see it very well, or respiratory disease bomba syrup, or respiratory disease bomba syrup. And if you can try to see, it has the nutrients, that is vitamins A, B and C, and it has mineral salts, that is phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, irons, copper, calcium and zinc. And you see the contact number of the people who made the syrup, and it was made at King David High School, as you can see. So come one, come all, and we serve you. This is our syrup, or it is called all inclusive respiratory disease bomba syrup. So we managed to make our syrup and packaged it in those bottles, and we also branded them, and we gave the syrup the name, which is all inclusive respiratory disease bomba syrup. So we are going to give the importance of those materials that are found in those this syrup which we made. So this syrup that we made consists of different nutrients. For example, in this syrup we used the sugarcane, where we extracted the sugarcane juice that contains minerals and vitamins. One of those minerals that are contained in this sugarcane juice is calcium, and we know that calcium is responsible for strengthening bones. Also magnesium and potassium. Iron is responsible for making what we call red blood cells that are responsible for transporting oxygen in our bodies. Also we have copper as the mineral which is responsible for balancing our blood. We also have zinc in that sugarcane juice. Then the vitamins that are contained in that sugarcane juice, we have vitamin A, which we can call retinol, and it is responsible for vitamin A, which we call retinol, and is responsible for normal vision, and it is responsible for normal vision. And also the immune system, it is also responsible for reproduction, growth and development. It also enables the heart and lungs and other organs to work properly, and it is also responsible for cell division. In this syrup we also have vitamin C, which is responsible for formation and maintenance of bones, cartilage, skin and blood vessels, and it is also acts as antioxidant and supports immune system. In this syrup we also have vitamin B1, which we can call thiamine, which helps in the body to convert carbohydrates into fuels, or which we can call glucose, which the body uses to produce energy. We also have what we call vitamin B2, or which we can call riboflavin. Riboflavin helps to break down proteins, fats and carbohydrates, maintaining the body's energy supply, and helps to convert carbohydrates into ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, which is the form of energy that we use in our bodies. In this juice also we have what we call vitamin B3, which we can call niacin, and niacin is responsible for lowering cholesterol levels and also eases anxieties and boosts the brain function. It also keeps nervous system well and digestive system and skin healthy. Then also we have what we call vitamin
B6. So this vitamin B6 helps the body to maintain a healthy nervous and immune system, and this vitamin B6 can be called pyridoxine. It can be called pyridoxine. We also have vitamin B5 in this juice of sugarcane, or which we can call pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is critical in manufacture of red blood cells, sex and stress-related hormones produced in the adrenal glands, and also promotes healthy skin, hair, eyes, and liver. Also, in this syrup, we managed to put ginger, and ginger contains minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and it is a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants, these are molecules that manage free radicals that are compounds that can damage the cells when their number grow too high. This ginger also reduces inflammation. It relieves pain, strengthens immune system, treats nausea and indigestion. It also reduces on fermentation, also constipation and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas. We also included garlic in our syrup, and this garlic is responsible for boosting the heart health. It reduces also the risk of liver injury and reduces symptoms of cold. And in this syrup also we included what we call the lemon grass, and the lemon grass contains high amounts of vitamin A, or which we call retinol, and retinol is responsible for eye vision. Retinol is responsible for eye vision. And in this syrup we also included the bark of the mango and also the leaves of the guavas. We also included tree of life, or what we can call omuti ogw'obulamu, which we can call Bryophyllum pinnatum oba ekiyondo. We also included what we call kakobajiri. We also included lemongrass, ekisubi, and those materials contain different nutrients that are responsible for our body to work very well. So this is our syrup, as you can see, and that is the packaging. So that is the end product of our syrup. We packed and blended our syrup, which is called all-inclusive respiratory disease bomba syrup. Thank you for following. I remain Tugwebaze Evaristo, your YouTube discoverer. Subscribe, comment, follow and share. Thank you very much. God bless you.